Have you ever wondered how cryptocurrency is evolving to become more than just a digital asset? How it's starting to blend whimsy with utility, making the crypto world more accessible and engaging? Today we're diving into the world of Forever Token, a new player in the vast crypto universe that's changing the game with its unique cat-themed approach. In the ever-expanding universe of digital money, Forever Token, or FUR, is making waves. With $40,000 already secured towards a $1 million goal, it's evident that Forever Token is not just a flash in the pan. This project is in the early stages of a journey that aims to blend cuteness with utility in the crypto space. The focus on cat-themed content isn't just about aesthetics. It's a strategy to galvanize a community of enthusiasts around shared interests and mutual support. This approach sets Forever Token apart from its peers, underlining the evolving dynamics of cryptocurrency where engagement and inclusivity are as crucial as the technology underpinning it. In the grand scheme of things, Ethereum, or ETH, continues to gain momentum. Wall Street's growing appetite and the potential for regulatory approval for spot ETH ETFs signal a burgeoning acceptance in the mainstream financial landscape. But while Ethereum surges, Solana, or Sol, stands tall, promising speed and scalability. It's challenging Ethereum's dominance, demonstrating the relentless innovation that defines the sector. To summarize, Forever Token is a unique addition to the crypto world, using cat-themed content to engage its community. It's a testament to how cryptocurrency is evolving, becoming more inclusive and engaging. Meanwhile, Ethereum continues to surge in popularity, gaining mainstream acceptance. But it's not alone at the top. Solana is hot on its heels, offering speed and scalability, challenging the status quo. So, as the dawn breaks over the digital horizon, remember that the world of cryptocurrency is ever evolving. Whether you're captivated by the cuteness of Forever Token, intrigued by Ethereum's surge, or excited by Solana's potential, there's no denying that the future of digital assets is boundless.